Today I'm going to make an unboxing video, show you guys what comes with a Eureka Mignon Zero grinder. I'm going to go ahead and pair it with my other Italian machine, Gaggia Classic E24. We'll see how they look side by side, and I am going for the contrast of red machine, red Gaggia, and this machine. So when I unbox it, you'll see the color. Let's go ahead and get it started. I had some gift cards from Seattle Coffee Gear, so I took advantage of it and I ordered this. The most affordable Eureka Mignon coffee grinder with this silent technology. So yeah, there's a Eureka Mignon Notte. It's about $80 cheaper than this. I wanted to go with the silent technology version. So the best part of this grinder is a single dose grinder, and it comes with a hopper and bellows, and the hopper holds around 45 grams of beans. So we get greeted by a styrofoam lid, a user manual. Definitely read it cover to cover. That's what I'm gonna do. It's a bunch of languages, not too long, I assume. Yeah, no, we can do it. Let's start with this one. These are the bellows, and you know, nothing to write home about silicone bellows. So we have this portafilter / dosing cup holder. I like using dosing cup. Once in a while I use portafilter, but mainly I use dosing cups. Here's the adjustable part of it. You basically use your Phillips screw to adjust this up and down. Here's the dosing cup. Comes with a stainless steel dosing cup. Here we go. We have single dose hopper. Appears to be very well made. Plastic. Here's a bean deflector. Here's the lid. Bellows has a little channel here. You simply put this to that channel right there. Put it on the top of the dosing cup. Create that air pressure to blow the coffee grounds. I mean, hence the name Eureka Mignon Zero. This should be like a zero or too close to zero retention grinder. Oh, I can definitely feel it. Here she is. This one also comes with the chrome version. Basically, this area is all chrome, top is all chrome. I like the black accents personally. This little guy weighs around 14 to 15 pounds. It's almost like a car paint. I love it. It's gonna look great right next to my Ferrari red Gaggia. That's what I call it. It's actually lobster red. So it's really cool. This screw doesn't touch the hopper at all. It's just simply tightening it. And it has like a little notch here. So you simply bring this gap to that notch, like so. And kind of wiggle your way in, okay? And then just tighten it so the screw doesn't fall, top will be all secure. Just to finger tighten it. The cord is fairly long. I wanna say around 6 feet. It has a little Eureka logo in the back, red. And in order to clean this, you know, for maintenance, you have to remove this to access the screw there, to remove this. And down the road, I'll make a video about it. So here it is, you guys. This is my new setup. I'll also pair it up with Bambino in another video, as well as my Gaggia ECM Zero, the white machine, so you can see what it looks like, contrast with white and red, white and white, and white and stainless steel. So keep an eye on the channel. This month in January, I'll be making a lot of videos showcasing Zero with different machines, as well as a comparison with the DF54. Since this is almost like a beginner machine as well, same as the DF54, and then price is fairly close. This is slightly more expensive. Of course, this is totally handmade in Milan, Italy, whereas the DF54, as you all know, is a mass-produced, made in China machine, which is a wonderful machine. I am not putting it down, but they're fairly close. This one comes with a 55mm burrs. DF54 comes with a 54mm burrs, hence the name. I already seasoned the grinder. I ran through almost a pound of beans with it. That's plenty seasoning for me. All right, you guys, I got some organic Nicaragua medium dark roast beans. The workflow with the Eureka Mignon Zero goes like this. You simply start the machine. So you do a hot start, open the lid, make sure this bean release toggle is closed so beans are up top, and then pour it over. These are pre-weighted for 17 grams and loaded, and then release them. And then once the beans are in there, close you have to seriously pound this in order to get everything out. So here's one. Simply turn it off. Fluffy Italian espresso style grinding. And here's our portafilter. Simply put it in, get our dosing funnel, get our WDT tool, tap, remove this, get our leveler, perfect. And I'm going to use my flat base norm core. I also have this Ikapi ripple base, but I want to go with the flat base norm core this time. I love this little tamper, mini version 1.0 or something. And let's go ahead and put a puck screen on it. Place it into our Gaggia. And let's get a cup. No pre-infusion, I'm just gonna do a straight shot. All right. Almost there. A little over 34 grams. I think I'm gonna adjust the grinder slightly coarser. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like, but I'm sure we can do better next time. By the way, I'm using IMS Convex Bottom 18 grams basket. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Actually, it tastes really good. Let's go ahead and review the puck. Okay. Here's the puck screen. Here's the puck. There's a little defect here attached to the puck screen. Yeah, it's too fine. I think I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do it coarser next time and see what happens. All right, again, let's go ahead and get our machine started. This time, like I said, I adjusted 2 notches coarser, put them in. It's incredibly quiet, which I really like it. Pound it and stop it. Here it is, you guys. Little WDT. Let's go ahead and tap this a little bit. Grab this leveling tool. Okay. And let's go ahead and use the same tamper. Again, no pre-infusion, nothing. There we go. Oh, this looks a lot better. It's getting better, but it could be better too. Let me go ahead and taste it. Let's see if it's going to be slightly bitter like the one before. This is a lot more chocolatey. I'm going to go ahead and adjust this to one more notch. Actually, two more notches. Check out the puck this time. Yeah, it's stuck like glue. So usually when I do that, it falls right into my hand. So a third time is the charm. Let's go ahead and pull another 17 grams beans and grind them at the new adjustment. This dialing in process pretty much happens with every grinder. It's nothing to do with the Eureka. It could be something to do with me. Maybe there are people who can dial in instantly, but I'm not one of those people. I take my time. These bellows definitely work. All right, let's go ahead and set this up. Do our little WDT. Let's do our leveling tool. And bring our little Normcore Mini. Have I told you guys I love this little tamper? I can't talk enough about that temper. I love it so much. Here we go, you guys. Oh, this is perfect. That's it. I think we dialed in, you guys. Come on, Poppy. Yeah. All right, you guys, look at this. This is it. This is what I'm looking for. This chocolatey, tasty espresso. Really thick. Let me go ahead and taste it. Oh yeah, it covers my whole throat. I love it. I absolutely love it. Perfect percentage of crema to coffee ratio. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna take another shot. I'm actually gonna finish it. All right, this is it. So we dialed in our Eureka Mignon Zero. I'll keep it at that, at least until I finish my bag of organic Nicaragua beans. After that, we'll do this dialing again with my next batch of coffee. All right, let's go ahead and check the puck. Here she is. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So yeah, it's fairly dry. Pretty good puck. There's some dry spots here that shows that water did not penetrate. But next one is going to be much better. Again, it's something to do with the tamping force. So as I adjust my tamping, it's going to be much better. Well, everybody, I couldn't be happier with my new Mignon Zero. I think I'm gonna really enjoy it. So keep an eye on the channel. I'm gonna create several different videos to discover more about this wonderful grinder. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and drop a line. I'll be happy to get back to you guys as quick as I can, and I'm really looking forward to see you guys' comments. As usual, I'm gonna have everything you see here, all my coffee tools, my grinder, my Gaggia for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these, you're more than welcome to check out the video description for the links. And if you order through those links, you'll be supporting my channel and keep my channel sponsor free so I can make independent videos like this. Thank you so much for watching Teo Steak and have a delicious day. I'll see you on the next one.